Hello guys, in yesterday's video about Bank Nifty, I was speaking about there is a strong selling pressure in Bank Nifty because of there is a single print which has formed just below the previous day low. At the same time, there is a poor low at 52,854 and there is a good possibility this poor low will be revisited. For any kind of further down move, you need to watch for 52,400 levels. Below this 52,400, which is around the Friday's low, there is a good possibility Bank Nifty might go for 52,300 and 52,150 levels. And for any kind of up move, I was speaking about 52,800 levels. There is a good possibility of 53,010 levels, which is the POC of yesterday. If you observe today, Bank Nifty high itself is at 52,976 levels in future, just 35 points short of our target. And once Bank Nifty has sustained below 52,400, it went all the way down to 52,110 levels, which is few points below our target on the downside. Here in this video, using market profile and order flow, we will analyze in both Nifty and Bank Nifty and also discuss the key levels to watch for tomorrow. Welcome back to the channel. I am Dilip. Let's start with Bank Nifty first. If you look at today, Bank Nifty itself has opened just around the value area low, and the prices first made a lower low, tested the value area low of last Friday and then immediately closed above the opening. At the same time, if you look at, there is a good amount of bearish divergence in Bank Nifty, one of 162. So whenever you see the bearish divergence, as I said in previous videos, there is a good possibility as the prices makes higher highs, these sellers will try to again hammer down the market. So that is what happened. Immediately prices went down and it has broken the first 30 minutes low, indicating the acceptance outside the value area of yesterday's. So this indicated the prices will probably go downside towards whatever the targets 52,300 and 52,150 levels. Why I have given these levels is that previously, if you look at, there is a value from 2nd December, and once prices gets accepted below this value area high, Bank Nifty will cover the whole value area, first target being the POC at 52,150 and the next target will be 52,040 levels. For tomorrow, what you should be looking in Bank Nifty is that the multi-day balance low itself is around 52,000 area. So there is a good possibility Bank Nifty might make a lower low, most possibly in the first 30 minutes or 1 hour itself. For any kind of further down move, guys, you need to watch for Bank Nifty sustaining below 51,800 to 51,900 levels. So if Bank Nifty sustains, there is a good possibility Bank Nifty might come down to 51,640 levels, which is the imbalance area which has not been tested previously in the month of November. And there is a good possibility Bank Nifty might even go for 51,500 levels. So for further down move, I think it's again need to get accepted below 51,250 levels. Below this, there is a good possibility the sellers, whoever have come around 13th November, they might try to take control and push the prices down to 50,160 levels. So if at all tomorrow Bank Nifty gets accepted above 52,240 levels, there is a good possibility Bank Nifty will go for 52,460 levels and second target will be 52,640 levels. And above 52,760 levels, then there is a good possibility it will easily go for 53,020 levels. Sustaining above this level, there is a good possibility of 53,300 and 53,400 levels. This is with Bank Nifty, guys. Coming to Nifty, guys, yesterday I was speaking about there is a good amount of 1.2k unfinished business at 24,470 levels. So there is a good possibility on moderate gap down, there is a good possibility this unfinished business might likely will revisited. So what happened today is that prices opened just outside the value area at 24,370 levels and it all the way went up to this unfinished business area. Immediately prices reversed, breaking the first 30 minutes low. And yesterday I was also mentioning that the value area from last Friday is at 24,316 levels and yesterday's low itself is around 24,380 levels. There is a 60-point gap here which was supposed to cover yesterday itself, but because the time is up, it wasn't able to cover. So I was speaking this 60 points will likely get covered tomorrow, which covered in the first 1 hour itself. And at the same time, for any kind of further down move, I was speaking about 24,220 levels. Any sustaining below these levels, there is a good possibility. I was speaking about 24,150 levels and 24,090 levels. Both are multi-day balance low. So what happened today? If you look at Nifty low itself is at 24,216 levels. It has touched below the 24,220 levels, but immediately it went inside. For tomorrow, what you should be watching for is that look for an acceptance above 24,240 levels, guys. So any acceptance here, there is a good possibility of this POC at 24,270 levels as first target, and second target will be 24,300 levels, and third target will be 24,350 levels. On downside, the prices itself has got accepted inside the multi-day balance from November month. There is a good possibility this multi-day balance low has to be revisited, but 24,164 has to be revisited, and 24,090 also needs to be get revisited. Once Nifty enters into this area, there is a good possibility of strong downside move which happened on 28th November. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, go through the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. So this is with Nifty, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.